at the Muskegon Lighthouse. Winds.
This is the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids. The signal you have just heard was our weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System. We normally conduct the test on Wednesdays around 11:15 in the morning. However, if there's a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, we'll postpone the test until the next available good weather day. Be advised that weather conditions will affect the signal quality of the broadcast. We'll activate the warning alarm tone for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties. On 162.40 megahertz from Onondaga, these counties are Branch, Calhoun, Clinton, Eaton, Gratiot, Hillsdale, Ingham, Jackson, Livingston, and Shiawassee. On 162.425 megahertz from West Olive, these counties are Allegan, Muskegon, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Hesperia, these counties are Muskegon, Newaygo, and Oceana. On 162.525 megahertz from Mount Pleasant, these counties are Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, Mecosta, Midland, Montcalm, and Osceola. On 162.55 megahertz from Kentwood, these counties are Allegan, Berry, Ionia, Kent, Montcalm, Muskegon, Newaygo, Oceana, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Plainwell, these counties are Allegan, Berry, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun. And on 162.425 megahertz from Wolf Lake, these counties are Manistee, Wexford, Mason, Lake, Osceola, Oceana, Newaygo, and Mecosta. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm device.
Alright, let's see if it fails.